Established in 1951, I'm at Khan Market, a U-shaped double-storied complex set amid the bungalows of everyone important in Delhi, where the who's come for shopping and for their exquisite food experiences. This is a hub of the elite in Delhi. The question here really is whether or not the elites here actually aware about the election issues and how much do they really care about the ground issues from their air purified homes. Let's find out. The iconic marketplace named after Khan Sahib, the then Chief Minister of Northwest Frontier Province, now in Pakistan, was originally built to house refugees in the heart of New Delhi. Now, Khan Market resonates of old bookstore charm and mainly high-end stores and opulent restaurants.
The biggest issue that all Delhiites are facing is air pollution, and it seems to be worsening year after year. I think Yamuna is so dirty, and that is going to impact Delhi's water supply. It is already doing that.
There was a time when every alley and street had light. Basic, okay? And as it is, Delhi is known as a crime capital, it's not safe. And what do? You go ahead and you have more potholes and no lights. I mean, how does it pan out for women? That's a very big concern. And the second concern is, where are the offices in Delhi? We used to have some offices in Delhi, around central Delhi. Now everything is moved to Gurgaon and NCR.
The work has not been done, which was promised, and things are given like a freebies. Okay, finally we as a taxpayer, it's going from our pocket only. There is nothing freebies in the world. So for what reason are we giving these freebies? Just to gain votes? So I don't think so. This is a good way of approach.
Offering the option of sifting through hundreds of books lying in haphazardly lined shelves, Fakir Chand Bookstore stands strong in Khan Market as the oldest shop in this upscale South Delhi area. Spread over 90 acres and situated between the posh Khan Market and the Lodi Road, Lodi Garden remains a popular spot for Delhiites for their early morning walks and for some much needed fresh air. The urban voter base in this area and their concerns remain somewhat the same. And some bring about new issues as well to the forefront, such as disability rights and how friendly is the city in these terms.
My father just turned 85. He's a 1939 born. He wanted to avail the facility of voting from home, which was just initiated by the government. We approached the officers, we approached the toll-free number, and when we gave them the details, they said he is 84 and not 85. But even apart from the certificate given by the government hospital, even apart from the fact that I have all the documents proving him that he is 85 plus, neither the BLO, neither the ARO, nobody is willing to help us. They said we cannot change the system, I'm sorry.
सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट कि जो भी गवर्नमेंट आए उसको ओवरऑल हेल्थ और फिटनेस को लेके लोगों की उसके लिए बहुत कंसर्न रहना चाहिए. जैसे कि पार्क्स बनवाए हैं, बहुत लिमिटेड पार्क्स हैं आसपास आप देखोगे सोसाइटीज़ के अंदर, तो उस पर फोकस होना चाहिए. जिम बना के छोड़ दिए गए हैं, ठीक है, ये जो ओपन जिम आप देखेंगे पार्क्स के अंदर, लेकिन उनको मेंटेन नहीं किया गया है.
Problem is when it's time for election, they all come, and they're at our doorsteps pleading with us. हमारे भाई भी बन जाएंगे, हमारे रिश्तेदार भी बन जाएंगे, सब कुछ हो जाएगा. But when it's time to deliver, they are not there.
Khan Market and Lodi Garden areas are the top elite areas in New Delhi. However, the issues here also echo the same. Civic and sanitation, women's safety and law and order remains at the top of the mind of the voters here. The common theme here is also that the voters are against the freebies culture that all the parties are meeting out at this point. The citizens here talk strongly being against such freebies, and they say, how will this bring in good governance? Whichever party comes into power in the incoming elections, how are they going to ensure that actual work is being done instead of giving out freebies on taxpayers' money is what the voters ask here. With camera person Gopal, this is Tanushka Datta for NDTV.